We are brothers. We go to disco.
Yeah, me and my brothers, yeah. Yeah, my name Vlad. Every weekend I like to go out to party with my brothers, like to go disco. We like to go disco, see the ladies and have a couple drinks and dance. Yeah, it's fun to go disco. Love to go disco. Oh. Can't stop. Every weekend we go to disco, laughing, having a good time. My cousin Bill, I always have to say something stupid and make me not want to go to disco with Bill no more. You know, because Bill is so stupid, he make all the ladies run away. When all the ladies run away, you have no good time at the disco. You just drink more vodka, get more drunk, you know. But Bill is not allowed no more. Yeah, no, me and my friends, we go have a good time now because Bill, he's gone, he's, you know, the disco. Yeah, the disco. Disco. I love disco. I love disco. See, I do the disco right now, yeah.